My name is Jacob Hill. I'm a project manager. I chose to come to Allied because of the culture that was presented to me. There were a lot of different opportunities as far as the metal building industry is concerned, but none that kind of reflected the culture that really fit my lifestyle and the lifestyle of some of my close friends and family. So it was a pretty easy decision on my part. Lifestyle is just energetic, go get 'em, adaptive, really has a good idea on where they want to go in the future and are ever evolving with times to make sure that they achieve goals that they need to achieve and pursue the goals that they need to pursue. I can answer it in a way that kind of describes what it's like to be a PM, and that is more or less being the face of Allied. There's sales that's always selling buildings and going here and going there and creating relationships, but in essence we are the one providing them the building with exactly what they want. So if we provide a sour taste in their mouth with during any point in the process, then Allied is then soured. So we provide that drive, we provide that focus, we provide that security to the customer that they are getting exactly what they have bought.